9:05 and I just got my hair cut. See, it looks nice and nice. It's not shaggy anymore. And we're driving out. My dad's driving in his thing of coatness. And there's a car. And we're gonna follow that car. Oh, this camera's really good, Dad. I really like this.
Just take really good care of it because
yeah.
It's a delicate thing.
Yeah, no,
it will not take much to trash it.
Yeah, no. That's the florist where I used to go. Well, I didn't used to go. I used to go, but yeah, whatever. That's the little cemetery right there, and there's a piece of poop right there. And there's lots of pieces of poops. There's that one, and there's those. And that's a big one. And that's Route 80 that goes over the underneath, and that's the Gentleman's Club of Patterson. Yeah, see, there's no windows. And that's the river that's really high. That's really high. And that, I don't know what that is, but it's something. And that's a church, I think, but I'm not sure. And we're just going forward, and that's a nursery in front of us, and those are people walking on the road stupidly, because there's no sidewalk. Walk on the other side, you stupid people. Oh, jeez. Then that's a King of Shish Kebab, and that's the Republican headquarters of West Patterson right there. We're still driving. And, still going. Yep, we're still going. That's a convenience store. Where there's Carvel. And there used to be a Cinnabon there, but I don't know what's there anymore.
He's gone.
He's gone. Cinnabon's gone. I think there was an Oscar Mayer there at one point, but I'm not 100% sure. There's a West Patterson Middle School. One of the middle schools. Pretty sure it's not the whole middle school. It's a really small school. I think the rest of it's down there, but I'm not sure. And then that's the doctor's office. With the circular stuff. Doctor's office. And this is a bridge. Still going forward, and that was a grill. I don't know what happened to it. Looks like it closed down. That, I have no idea what that is. What is that, Dad?
What?
Kierfot.
That used to be Singer Kierfot. They used to make all kinds of electronics for the aerospace industry and stuff. I think they still do. It's guidance systems and stuff.
So we got a military base. There's a good place to eat. Sunrise Pizzeria. It's pretty tasty. Oh, there it goes. And we're going to the car wash over there. Let's see if we can get a zoomed in piece of it. There it is. The car wash.
Going to the car wash. We're going to make these poor slobs thoroughly clean our car.
Our car is going to be cleaned. That's Pizza Hut over there. That red roof thing. That's Pizza Hut. And that's a bank in front of it right there. And that is the back of Nails and Spawn, Blimpies, and whatnot. And that's a big truck.
Let me see what we got here.
Let's get the free touch-free car wash with the purchase of Pennzoil, 10-minute oil change. That's the menu.
Interior leather shine, dressing.
Which one are we getting?
It's probably the $19 one because I need to. They need to really vacuum this thing out and clean it up real good to get the dog hair out of here, so that when we get in the car for the wedding on Thursday.
Mm-hmm.
That our black suits and Mommy's black dress and Amanda's black dress don't come out looking like Nikki after we're done.
Can I bring this to the wedding?
Because yeah, absolutely.
Sweet.
Because we will absolutely be covered with Nikki hair if they don't do a really, really good job.
And here we go to the car wash. Do we just tell them and then we get out?
Yeah.
We can't go through it?
No.
Please?
No, you can't.
Yeah. Okay, that's it for today. I'll see you guys later.